Hey there! Welcome back to Healing Minds. Today, we're delving into the world of mindfulness and exploring 5 powerful practices that can help you find relief from stress and cultivate resilience. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by work, relationships, or just life in general, these mindfulness exercises can be a game changer. So, grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. First up, we have deep breathing exercises. This simple yet effective practice can work wonders for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Here's how it works. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, whether it's a cozy corner at home or a peaceful spot outdoors. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor, making sure your spine is straight but relaxed. Close your eyes gently to help minimize distractions from the outside world. Now let's focus on the breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand fully as you fill your lungs with air. Feel the sensation of the breath entering your body, filling you with calm and centeredness. As you exhale, slowly release the breath through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress with each outward breath. Imagine yourself releasing negativity and stress with each exhale, allowing your body and mind to relax more deeply with each breath. Continue this deep breathing pattern for several cycles, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. You can count the length of your inhales and exhales to see if it helps you maintain a steady rhythm, aiming for a slow and controlled pace. Notice how your body feels with each breath, tuning in to any areas of tension or discomfort and allowing them to soften and release with each exhale. If your mind starts to wander or you notice yourself getting distracted, gently bring your focus back to the sensation of your breath. You can use a simple mantra or phrase to help anchor your attention, such as inhale peace, exhale tension, or breathe in calm, breathe out stress. Practice this deep breathing exercise for at least a few minutes each day, ideally incorporating it into your daily routine as a regular self-care practice. You can do it first thing in the morning to start your day on a calm and centered note, or before bed to help unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will be. Now let's explore body scan meditation, a powerful practice for promoting relaxation and releasing tension from head to toe. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can lie down or sit in a relaxed position. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to settle into the present moment. Start by bringing your awareness to your feet. Notice the sensations in your toes, the soles of your feet, and your heels. Are there any areas of tension or discomfort? Without judgment, simply observe these sensations and allow them to be as they are. Begin by bringing your awareness to your toes, noticing any sensations or tension present in that area. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, gradually move your attention upward, focusing on each part of your body in turn. Shift your awareness to your ankles, then your calves, knees, and thighs. Notice any sensations of tightness or relaxation in each area, and consciously release any tension you find. Continue scanning your body, moving up through your hips, abdomen, chest, and back. Pay attention to your shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers, releasing any lingering tension with each exhale. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck, face, and head, allowing any remaining stress or tightness to melt away. Throughout this practice, remember to breathe deeply and stay present with whatever sensations arise in your body. If your mind starts to wander or you become distracted, gently guide your attention back to the part of your body you're focusing on. Body scan meditation can be done for as little as a few minutes or as long as you like, depending on your preference and schedule. It's a wonderful way to connect with your body, release physical tension, and cultivate a sense of deep relaxation and inner peace. Try incorporating body scan meditation into your daily routine, perhaps as part of your morning or bedtime ritual. With practice, you'll become more adept at tuning into your body's signals and responding with kindness and compassion, fostering greater relaxation. Now let's take our mindfulness practice outside with mindful walking. This exercise involves bringing your full attention to the experience of walking, noticing each step you take and the sensations in your body as you move. Find a quiet outdoor space, like a park or a nature trail, and start walking at a comfortable pace. As you walk, pay attention to the feeling of your feet making contact with the ground, the movement of your legs, and the rhythm of your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the physical sensations of walking. Mindful walking can help you ground yourself in the present moment and find peace amidst the beauty of nature. Number 4 is gratitude journaling. It can be a transformative practice, even if you're going through a tough time. When depression clouds your perspective and makes it difficult to see the good in life, cultivating gratitude can help bring some light into the darkness. Gratitude journaling can be a transformative practice, even if you're going through a tough time. When depression clouds your perspective and makes it difficult to see the good in life, cultivating gratitude can help bring some light into the darkness. Another approach is to reflect on past experiences or memories that brought you happiness or peace. Even if those moments feel distant or fleeting, they're still worthy of gratitude. Consider writing about a time when you felt loved, appreciated, or content, and allow yourself to savor the positive emotions associated with that memory. If you're struggling to find inspiration, try using writing prompts to spark your creativity. Here are a few ideas to get you started. What is one thing that made you smile today, no matter how small? Reflect on a kind gesture someone made for you recently and how it made you feel. Think about a challenge you've overcome or a lesson you've learned and find gratitude for the growth it brought into your life. Remember, gratitude journaling is a personal practice, so there's no right or wrong way to do it. The key is to find what works for you and make it a consistent part of your routine. Over time, you may notice shifts in your mindset and outlook as gratitude gradually becomes a natural and effortless part of your daily life. Last but not least, loving kindness meditation, or metta meditation, is a beautiful practice that can offer solace and healing, especially when you're grappling with depression. It's all about cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and kindness towards yourself and others, which can be incredibly soothing during difficult times. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle into the present moment. Then start by directing loving kindness towards yourself. You might silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I be at peace," allowing these words to resonate deeply within you. As you continue with the practice, gradually extend these wishes to others. Start with someone you love deeply, such as a close friend or family member. Visualize them in your mind's eye and send them loving kindness with each breath. Then, expand your circle of compassion to include acquaintances, strangers, and eventually, all beings. Loving kindness meditation can be particularly powerful for individuals with depression because it helps counteract negative self-talk and cultivate feelings of self-worth and acceptance. By offering yourself love and compassion, you're nurturing a sense of inner peace and resilience that can help you navigate the challenges of depression with greater ease. Remember, this practice is about planting seeds of kindness and compassion within yourself, which will gradually grow and flourish over time. Be patient with yourself and approach the meditation with an open heart, knowing that you deserve love and kindness just as much as anyone else. So there you have it, 5 powerful mindfulness practices for stress relief and resilience. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving a state of perfection or eliminating all stress from your life. It's about learning to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and awareness. So give these practices a try and see how they can transform your relationship with stress and bring more peace and presence into your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and be well.